welcome to my YouTube channel. First, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm sure it will be helpful. In this video, I want to show you how easy to make your own bootable USB drive. First thing, you must have an app called PowerISO. Second, you must have an image file of your Windows, and third, your USB drive. When you have all of this, you can now start your process by opening PowerISO app. Wait a few seconds to continue with the trial vision. Go to Tools, scroll down and select Create Bootable USB Drive. In order to use this function, you need to run PowerISO as administrator. That's okay, and then click OK to continue, and click here to allow this action. Okay, we must wait a little bit again and click continue trial vision. As you see here, create bootable USB drive. Here, browse your image file from the source where you saved it. Go to this section and make sure you select here and click all image files. And click your Windows image and click open. You see your image files, it appears here, and go here to destination USB drive and select USB where to put your Windows image in. Here, select your USB. After you select your USB drive, go down here and press start to start the process and wait for time elapsed start, and remaining time will show here. This process is usually take 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. That's why I skipped that part in this tutorial. After the process is done, go to check your PC. Click this PC and you will see this image of Windows on your USB. This means you successfully create a bootable USB drive. Thank you. I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.